superior lobe, segment 4, segment 5, and segment 7 and 8. Inferior lobe, superior segment 6, segment 10, segment 9, segment 2, and its segment 3. As you can see all segments of the lungs. I'm only showing you left lung and the supply of the right lung here. Pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins. These are supplying heart and lungs. Now you can see clearly our heart. And now we are going to study heart segments. Parts of the heart. Right atrium. It's our left atrium. It's our superficial surface. Surface. And we can remove this surface. Now you can see internal heart, the right ventricle, and supply of right ventricle, left ventricle, and the supply of left ventricle. These are the tricuspid valves. These are bicuspid valve. It's back of the heart. You can clearly see the supply of the heart, the origin of the aorta, and base of the vena cava. As you know, aorta is for supply of whole body.